World of Coffee Dubai will mark the first time SCA's premier coffee trade show expands to the Middle East. This event will run in addition to the SCA's annual World of Coffee Warsaw trade show, scheduled to take place in Poland. World of Coffee Dubai is a collaboration between the Specialty Coffee Association, DXB Live, and the volunteer leaders of the SCA UAE chapter.
Welcome to ilikevents TV, your gateway to the world's top exhibitions and trade shows. Let's explore today's event.
World of Coffee Dubai builds on the legacy of the SCA's long-running World of Coffee trade show, a commercial event traveling to a different European city since 2006. Designed to connect coffee producers, manufacturers, retailers, traders, and the broader industry, World of Coffee Dubai is tailored for the UAE's coffee businesses and those who wish to break into the Middle East's emerging coffee industry. The Middle East and Africa represent a coffee market of over 16 billion USD, making it one of the biggest emerging specialty coffee markets globally. If you are interested in exhibiting, please read more info part. World of Coffee Dubai is an event, and I like events.
Want to join this event? Check the link in the description for tickets, hotels, and booth services. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to stay updated with global events.